Hi, this video is about creating a new role and make this new role available for portfolio. Let's have a look in our example. Here we have an implementation of a team in a project portfolio with the available roles we can see in here. Looking to the portfolio admin, we know the existing roles for that portfolio, and we have the requirement to create a new role, for example, a co-project lead. For this purpose, we use the role admin. We can search for existing roles in the customer. For example, if we search for the lead roles. So we see in here the project lead is available, but no co-project lead. So let's create a new. First, we need to name the role and call it, in this case, co-project lead. And I recommend always to have dedicated roles for every portfolio you implement. That will help you in case of the permissions a role change will have, that the role will have only effect in the change of the permissions for the portfolio that the role is used for. Otherwise, if the role is used for different portfolios, the change of the permission has at the same time effect to every portfolio the role is in use. So in this case, I would then choose a description, co-project lead for the projects. Click on the plus button, add the new role to the customer. What we now need to do is give this role permissions, and our idea is to have the same set of permissions for the co-project lead available as we already have for the project lead. How do we manage this? We can configure the permissions and the tasks that are behind with the pencil symbol. Clicking here, that opens a pop-up window and shows us the more than 300 available tasks, so available granular permissions that we can activate or deactivate for every role in the system. What we see here is that we now added the co-project lead role, and we might now walk through this list and activate every task here to be included for that role. We have a special second column here that allows this task or permission as well be available in the case that an item is frozen. You can differentiate it here. To make life easier, and we know the requirement is the same, the permission set to have a co-project lead like the project lead, then we can use the existing and search for the existing project lead role. We find in here, and clicking on the plus copies every task that is already in the existing project lead role, now copied as a task. In this case, 55 tasks were copied for the co-project lead. We can close this window, and now we can use this role in our portfolio to make the role available in our project. Let's make a refresh of the table. Let's go for roles. See if the co-project lead is available now. Yes, we have now here the new ID A211 that we can see as well here. The A211 is our role we want to use. And we want to have as well only one person to be set for that role. It will be an item role. It will not be a create item role. And we set it to the same order of the project lead, added with a plus. We have it now here. And if we go back to our example project, refresh the page as well here, we can see our new role was made available here. Thanks for your attention.